Alright guys, so I've been hearing this weird sound in the new island we found about near a week ago now. And we found this thing, the Umpa Strumper, but I heard a weird noise earlier. I don't have any proof to show you guys I actually heard it. You guys probably don't believe me. That's an issue, but I definitely did. I will pinky swear on you guys through the screen. I heard something. It was like a smacking noise. It sounded like someone slapping the ground. I'll let you guys know if I hear it again, but it's just really irritating. I don't have any proof of it, but if I hear it, I will tell you guys. So, yeah, but, oh, whoa, it's making, there it is, I hear the sound. Where's it coming from? Oh, hi. So, I'm assuming this is the thing that was making that weird noise. I wonder what that thing's called. I think the name would be something like Stampy. Stampy! That's it! Stampy. Nice to meet you, Stampy. But yeah, if I find any more weird monsters or hear any more sounds, I'll let you guys know. Okay? So, bye!